Hi, I'm Jack Razmich with Razmich & Associates, and today we're going to talk about what you can do if you find yourself arrested on an Indiana college campus. College may feel like a world unto itself, but the law is still the law. Thousands of college students are arrested each year in Indiana on charges ranging from liquor law violations to illegal drug possession to assault and batteries. An Indianapolis Star inquiry found that Indiana University ranks 5th in alcohol-related arrests and disciplinary actions among the 14 Big Ten schools. Ouch, they're going to take my law license back for telling you that. If you find yourself arrested at an Indiana college, here is what you should and should not do to protect your most important rights. Number 1, remain calm and cooperative. Getting arrested is a scary process and sometimes it is extremely unfair. You probably want to lash out at the police, but it is crucial to remain in control of your emotions and cooperate with them. Losing control of yourself can make an already bad situation that much worse. Number 2, speak with the police as little as possible. You have the right to remain silent isn't just a meaningless phrase. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees everybody has the right to not give testimony or incriminate themselves. For this reason, you have the right to remain silent in the face of interrogation by the police. After you've been arrested, invoke your right to remain silent by saying, "I don't want to talk to you," or "I want to speak with an attorney." After that, you speak as little as possible, even if you're innocent of the charges or think you can explain away your actions. Only speak when your lawyer is present. Remember, the police can use anything you say against you. Without a lawyer, you might accidentally incriminate yourself without realizing it. Number 3, ask for an attorney. Much like we discussed in the last point, outside of telling the police that you have no intention of speaking to them, the only other thing you should tell them is that you want to have an attorney present. Arrested persons have the right to an attorney and to have that attorney present with them before answering any questions. You should be sure to request this attorney immediately because the police must stop asking you questions once you make that request. If you don't have an attorney, don't be afraid to ask for one anyway. You are entitled to court-appointed counsel, although you may decide later to hire private defense attorneys to represent you in this matter. You may not be able to have immediate access to that attorney. The last thing you want to do is ask for an attorney, then decide that you still want to speak with the police afterwards. Once you invoke your right to an attorney, stick to that and wait for an attorney to contact you. Number 4, ask to make a telephone call. Movies and television might lead you to believe that you're entitled to a free phone call, but the reality of that is using the telephone is a privilege that is offered to ensure your good behavior. Fortunately, the police are usually more than willing to allow a person who has been calm to make a telephone call before actually being booked into jail. You may not be allowed to make that telephone call right away, and in fact, you're probably going to have to wait. Try to wait patiently and calmly, as you don't really have much in the way of any other choices. Use your phone call to telephone your lawyer. If you don't have your lawyer, call a family member or a trusted person who can contact an attorney on your behalf. Once they find a lawyer, they'll be able to help put up your bond and get you released while you're waiting for your initial hearing. Being arrested is never an easy process. It is much more complicated on an Indiana college campus. There are certain disciplinary actions that can come back to affect your continued schooling if you find yourself arrested on campus. A good defense attorney is going to be able to provide you with a more involved explanation of your rights as they apply to you specifically, including any disciplinary functions that the school needs to go through as a result of a violation of their student code of conduct. Make sure that you always speak with your attorney before agreeing to any type of school disciplinary proceeding as well. The attorney can advise you as to how to go through that, just like they can advise you as to how to go through the general criminal practice as a whole. If you've been arrested on an Indiana college campus, or you know somebody who's been arrested on an Indiana college campus, please have them contact our office immediately for a free case evaluation. Our case evaluations are free. There is no cost. The only cost to you is your time, and this time is being spent getting you the information that you need to have to make the best possible decision about your freedom and your future going forward. We can be reached at 317-983-5333. We have operators standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all for the purposes of making sure that we get you the help that you need. We look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and we look forward to fighting for you in the future. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. If you really like it, please feel free to share it on the social media platform of your choice. Here at Razumich & Associates, we are lawyers ready to fight. We are here to fight for your freedom and your future. The more people we can reach, the more people we can fight for, the more people we can fight for, the freer society becomes as a whole. I hope you found this video informational, and I will look forward to seeing you at the next video. Thanks.